Hello and welcome to Distributed Systems and Blockchain in the News. My name is Thomas Bocek and this video marks the end of this lecture series. So the most important news this week is the announcement of the challenge task winner and the award you see here on the right hand side. As a short reminder, every student had to build a fully working and scalable distributed system serving HTTP 3 requests, as described here on this site. Many interesting ideas were presented, including integration with OpenAI, chatbot, or DALL-E. But let's look at some statistics first. We had 28 groups with 2 to 3 students, and the tech stack was free choice. So I was curious to find out what the students used. And this is the result. And I have to say, I enjoyed these presentations a lot, and I also learned a lot since I could ask questions to those students that actually used this technology. So for load balancing, most students used Traffic. One group even used YARP. YARP is yet another reverse proxy. They were using a .NET stack. On the database side, here we have two popular databases, MongoDB and Postgres, and Cassandra, respectively. The compatible ScyllaDB was chosen twice. I was a bit surprised on the front-end side, as many groups chose server-side rendering followed by React and then pure Java or TypeScript. I have to say that this lecture is not about front-end engineering, and interestingly, one group chose Svelte and another Alpine.js. On the backend side, many chose Node.js followed by .NET, and Python and Golang were third. Also interesting, one group chose Spring Boot with Kotlin. So let's proceed to the winner, and I need some drum rolls. And the winner is Gotography with Manuel Metzler, Reto Fuhrer, and Sascha Herring. Congratulations! Gotography is a web application to share collections of pictures. They added automated tagging via PhotoPrism and self-hosted it with TensorFlow. They built their own Kubernetes cluster with MetalLB and deployed their application on this cluster. And even for storage, they used ScyllaDB, which is a fault-tolerant database compatible to Cassandra with focus on performance. So again, congratulations to Manuel Metzler, Reto Fuhrer, and Sascha Herring. Well done. You'll get your award via email. And if you don't know yet how to redeem these Bitcoins, there will be a blockchain lecture in the upcoming fall term where we deep dive into technical details of various blockchains.